Oh no, I'm not flying Delta. I will never fly Delta again because they have somebody like Opal working there. And she wants to tear down my business. And every day I see her, I just get, oh, I'm so traumatized by it to know that they have a stewardess by the name of Opal Harper who is going around on social media cyberbullying me because I have a small business.
People, anybody will have that life where she cuss the deceased lady and threaten to make the lady lose her job because they say you were jealous of the friendship of when Noel and the lady have years a workless.
Opal, what do you want from my life? Do you want my life to be taken? Right about now, I can't cry anything in a Opal. I can't cry anything, I can't bawl for mercy, I say, Opal, I got you know that, right? Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, I can. I can say, Opal will kill me, oh my god, Opal will kill me, oh, I can. I don't care. More topic, more followers, more likes, more shares, more sales. They can talk about me all they want. So them talk about me. If I feel like I want to respond, I will. What we want from my life? Huh? I think that this girl has somebody. I think that she was somebody. I never know that she lose her brain cells too. Oh no, as a customer of Delta, I don't feel comfortable knowing that she's working for the company. I'm gonna be a Karen. You know, the white Karen, I'm gonna be one of those people, the people they call Karens, I'm gonna be one of them. Oh no, I'm not flying Delta. I will never fly Delta again because they have somebody like Opal working there. And she wants to tear down my business. And every day I see her, I just get, oh, I'm so traumatized by it to know that they have a stewardess by the name of Opal Harper who is going around on social media cyberbullying me because I have a small business. And she's talking all these shit about my business, and I really don't like it because I'm a small business and I'm a businesswoman and I fly Delta all the time. And I don't want it where one day I'm flying on Delta, Opal is my stewardess, and she might serve me something that's not healthy. I don't like that. As a member of the public and as a customer of Delta, I really don't appreciate that. I really don't appreciate that. I really don't appreciate that. I really don't. I mean, as a frequent flyer of Delta, I really don't appreciate her coming on social media bashing my business, my small business. I'm just a person who is just trying to start, life, trying to rebuild my life. And here we have this woman who works for Delta Airlines bashing my business, trying to knock food out of my mouth. I am not trying to knock food out of her mouth. She's trying to knock food out of my mouth, I am here trying to rebuild my life as a decent citizen in America, and I fly Delta often, and here this stewardess person who works for the airline that I fly often is trying to insult and degrade my business, insult me and slander my business. I really don't appreciate that. You see how people can't get themselves in trouble? By just minding their business? Just want to be a part of something. Now suppose I sit down and pen a letter. Suppose I pen a letter. Suppose I pen a letter, Opal. I'm going to be wicked, right? Let me guess. You're going to call me wicked if I pen a letter. If I pen a letter and show where you are pretty much coercing certain things, I'm wrong, right? I'd be evil and I'd be playing victim, right? This is America, Opal. Don't play me. Don't play with me. My business didn't do anything to you. I don't bother you. You understand me? I wonder exactly, if I go after her livelihood, like how she's coming after mine, would I be wicked? Exactly, Wendy. This is why I no longer have feelings for these people. Anything I'm going to do, I do it. And I am going to pen the letter. I am going to pen the letter and show where she is attempting to knock food out of my mouth with her true words. Make a pen the letter. I guarantee you that I will. Because I don't appreciate it. I don't know her from anywhere. Why would she do something like that? And then she's going to say she don't care if she loses her job. Huh? So you are well aware of what you're doing. You're well aware. You are well aware of what you're doing, because if you're going to blatantly admit that you do not care if you lose your job, or it's nothing if you lose your job, you're well aware of what you're doing. Your behavior is very questionable then. Get corporate on you right now, because I used to work in the airline industry too, Opal, and I'm sure character is a big thing for the airline, especially when you're working on the front line, working in customer service. Yeah, character is a big deal. Now, why would you want your character to be called into question? Tell me, Opal. Now, based on your behavior, it would be fair to say that your character should be called into question. Because if you're guilty of sitting here on social media bashing a small business for no reason at all, what else are you capable of doing as a stewardess? What else are you capable of doing? Inquiring minds would like to know. What else are you capable of doing? If you are so brave to blatantly come on social media and take aim at my small business that's feeding and clothing me and paying my bills in these hard times, my honest living, right? What else are you capable of doing? What else are you capable of doing? Put two and two together, people. Your character is very much called into question here.
Tina, you is no hustler, you're a scammer, because you come out now and want to use a decent deceased lady. The woman, that's why you picking them stagnant so. Because they say, let me tell you something, every God Almighty day you run Ghana station, you come out, you come cry victims, the people are texted by your pinning them. So let me ask you something. Noel and Chris and everybody where you texted, partner, somebody picking them. Them are not smart picnic. Leave people alone. Everybody where you see, not everybody workless like CJ. Anytime at all you see nobody make it out, you nobody no make you, nobody make CJ stagnant. You're too bad mind, you're too workless. Your daughter carry down a Manhattan for check you in our mental institution and you're afraid you feel for go in there. Tina, how comes you want where you worry if Sheena Carter and Lady V and Chris, them supposed to be friends. Them supposed to be friends because them are progressive people, so them can be friends. Drunk, nobody want no friendship from you. Because all we are born you. Me didn't know you didn't go coming up, but me stay right here and wait for you because you see the genuine love when Miss D show Noel when Noel go down there. All because you can't go down there, Miss D no want a friendship from your drunk crow. You're too bad man with your little stagnant cupcake them. Move your the one beard underprivileged garbage truck, blue hole, blue fly, all saga. But you come out here, you think you can run up on Noel out here, you think you take none. You're not doing the, you can't take set pan Noel out here. Chris up on invocation, Chris never see you. And money, Chris, that's why let me tell you something, Tina, let me tell you this. You know how much people find young cars tell me do everything work. Chris can deliver the people them cake yet. You know how much people will live near you so they now buy no cake from you every time they say you look dirty and nasty. And Chris will be delivering cake into your area. So Galan go tell police, go and go whole heap of people. All one girl tell me say right on Roberts Avenue she live. Cause me never ask nobody of the people then call me tell me say the Chris a come and they have gift and them are treat Chris very good. The people them prefer Chris cake more than fear the people them because they say you ever look nasty and dirty. But when you go down a Montgomery Plaza and sniff, you go sniff. Leave the woman son alone. Leave. That's why CJ can't go better. That's why CJ always stagnant. You not seek no help for your picnic. CJ is a mad ratted but a right pan life. CJ tell you. All Southside mattress. Every criminal come from Southside mattress in your hole then lay. Leave the people them alone. You could have brighter outer order. You know nothing about cooking. Look on the dog bickle. The dog vomitina look up in your mouth. A discharge rotten out your teeth them. You walk and lick clit, you lick back, you lick out everything. Leave the woman boy pick me alone. Because they will never be stagnant like CJ. You walk till which one of the woman family them nobody no like it, you too lie. How you know see the woman family them dead dog? You will never get the woman family them because you can't call the woman name and mix up because where you go we don't see you already. You will stay right there stagnant, right in the studio blood clip basement you got on. You dirty nasty workless scrub it you. You keep them now sell, you keep them can't sell, none can't sell a Canada. Cause me a busy and go get to the sponsor them. I hope Miss Marie see what you do and I hope on the screen record the live what she do today and cost the people them. Chris don't even see you. Go take your daddy out of the arms house. But you sell cupcake for $200. Who go buy when you know butter and sugar for $200? You out here every day cost people and nobody shame people and you not turn right and I sit where for people put on weight yourself.